Hey guys, so we have here our wiggle bike, and in this video we want to explain to you how to fix the issue when the steering wheel just doesn't want to turn the wheels anymore. So just like what you see here, eventually you can even pull off the steering wheel entirely, just like what happened to us here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop off this little plastic cap on the top of the steering wheel, and we're going to see here this little nut which we're going to have to tighten. But before we do that, we're going to take a look underneath our wiggle bike. You see here the wheels. We're going to make sure that they are facing dead forward, straight forward, and then we're going to put our steering wheel back on, and we're going to make sure we're holding it in the right way. See, there's a little difference between the top and the bottom, and then we're going to put the steering wheel right on the steering column. And then before we tighten up the nut, we're going to make sure that this gap here that you see between the two little blue spaces here, the pieces, that this gap is just really small, just like a millimeter or so. And now we can tighten up this nut, and we're going to use here a wrench. You see here I'm going to use here this 11/16 socket, and you see this is a really short socket. And that is really too short. You really need a deep socket in order to do this job properly. You still can do this here. I'm going to show you how to actually do this with a shorter socket, not deep socket. So in case you do have a deep socket, all you have to do is just really tighten up this nut as far as you can. And then once we've done that, we're going to just put the plastic cap back on. And now it's basically ready to be used. You're going to see here the wheels are now turning again. But as I said, if you do not have this deep socket, then you're going to have to do a little bit different trick. So you see here, this is a really short socket. It's not long enough. And when you're going to use this, what will happen is that the steering wheel is going to pop off eventually. It's not going to hold on completely. You'll still be able to use or turn the wheels in this case, but it's just not going to work right. So as soon as the children are going to push on top of the steering wheel, it's going to break again. It's going to stop working again. So what I did is I put a couple of revolutions of saran wrap around this metal piece here, especially on the bottom side, like maybe 4, or the bottom end, so maybe 4 or 5 revolutions of the saran wrap. Put this on there, and then we're going to put this into the steering column. And at this point we should be able to tighten this nut here with our 11/16 socket wrench or socket, and then we will be able to use our wiggle car here properly. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, leave a message below.